Is Ezone Global a scam, or is it actually legit in 2026? Let's break it down, because trust me, the answer isn't as simple as you'd think. First, if you're talking about Ezone Logistics, getazone.com, you're pretty much in safe hands. This company is all about international shipping. They provide US, UK, and Canada mailing addresses, so you can shop online and get your packages forwarded to the Caribbean, Europe, or Africa. Thousands of customers use them every year. And the reviews? Mostly glowing. People love their customer service and reliability. If you want legit shipping, stick with getazone.com. Now, if you're shopping for electronics, there are two solid Ezone options to know. Ezone Africa is a top retailer in the Gambia, and they're known for decent prices on brands like Samsung and Hisense. Meanwhile, Ezone Singapore, Ezone.sg, specializes in refurbished laptops and phones, and they even throw in warranties for peace of mind. Both of these? Totally above board. But, and this is a big but, if you stumble onto ezoneglobal.us or ezonesglobal.com, I'd hit pause. These sites have a ton of red flags. Poor reviews, scam reports, and sketchy contact info. Trustpilot is loaded with warnings, and the Better Business Bureau has them on their scam tracker. If it feels off, it probably is. And just to clear up the confusion, the Ezone in Toronto is actually an entertainment venue, not a store. So if you're hoping for laser tag, you're in luck. If you want electronics, not so much. Look, the Ezone name gets thrown around a lot, but not all of them are created equal. Always double check that URL before typing in your payment info, and never click on random ads from social media. Your wallet will thank you. So, is Ezone Global a scam? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. The trick is knowing which Ezone you're dealing with.